Hey guys, it's Jenna, also known as Empty Hanger on Poshmark and on Instagram. And today I'm going to be doing a mystery box unboxing. So lately it has been kind of a trend on Poshmark, Instagram, eBay, everywhere just to do these mystery boxes where you have no idea what you're going to get inside. There's all different kinds from styling to mystery boxes for resellers, and I decided to search on Poshmark to see what I could find for mystery boxes for resellers. So these are items that someone is providing for you to go ahead and resell. So I got my box in this week and I haven't looked at it yet. I haven't peeked, so we're gonna open it together. So before I open the box, let's go through what could potentially be in it. So when I was looking on Poshmark for mystery boxes, I searched for reseller mystery boxes because I wanted items to resell. Found one with a cute cover shot. I looked at the seller's reviews. It looked like she had sold some before. I do not know the seller, disclaimer. I also purchased this with my own money and I spent $50 on this box and there are 10 items inside. So that's $5 per item. Okay, so it came in a large priority mailbox and it feels a good weight. I don't know if this is a full 5 pounds. In my best guesses, I'm gonna say 3.5. Let's open it up. All right, so opening it up, I'm already smiling. I am not gonna show the seller's information, but it's got this really cute like glitter wrapping paper on top. So it's got a very nice presentation. And there is some really cute notes in here, just some information about the seller and thanking me for my purchase. So I think that's a great step to make, even when you're just selling a bundle to resell. So I'm gonna pull out my bag. Again, a really awesome presentation. So it was sent in this really nice like vacuum sealed bag. It even has this little like vacuum seal on it. So I guess I'm gonna unscrew it and open it up. Maybe I can reuse that. All right, so first item in the mystery bundle is an Odile shirt. It's really cute. That's Odile from Anthropologie. It is a pink top. This is what the label looks like. And it's in great condition. It's got little ruffles on it. Really nice. So that's top one. Next up, you guys, this is amazing. It's a New with Tags Free People dress. So it's a blue, like bohemian kind of dress. Brand new with tags, $128 tag. So there's the Free People. I'm already really happy because $50, those are $5 each for 2 great pieces I would pick up myself at the thrift store. Next up, this feels like silk to me. It is Fee from Anthropologie, so another Anthropologie top, and it's a really pretty like purple silk tunic. It's got like a boho kind of style to it. And then another purple top. We're on a purple theme. And this is also Anthropologie, so that's amazing. Little yellow button. This is the tag from Anthropologie. Just a nice little cotton tank. Next up, it is something else that's new with tags. So this is a Zara blouse and it's in like an ivory color, which is great because people are always looking for their neutrals, and it is also new with tags, size large. So we're 4 pieces in. Next we have Diane von Furstenberg. This actually is something I haven't found myself at the thrift store in quite a while. So we've got a DVF blouse and it's black. It's kind of sheer peasant style with ruffles. There's the label. Next feels like another silk piece. You guys, this person like did spot on. I wonder if she looked at my closet to see like what kind of stuff that I like to sell. That would be really smart if you were selling to another seller, to look at their closet and see their style and maybe send them pieces. So this is a silk joie tank top. So it is like an animal print mixed leopard with snakeskin. There's the label. And then we have another brand that I pick up often is Lucky Brand. Lucky Brand does pretty well on Posh. It's a great like casual top. It's kind of tie-dye with some embroidery. There's the label. Coming down the home stretch, we've got 2 more pieces. This is another new with tags piece. So I've already gotten, I think this is the 3rd new with tags piece. And this one is Philosophy. The retail is $48. It's like a linen. It's a really pretty yellowish green color. I haven't sold this brand before, but I have seen it, so it'll be good to test it out. And then the last piece is a sweater. And it's kind of like a cropped cardigan. It looks a little small. I'm wondering if this one might be shrunken, we'll see. But it's Moth from Anthropology. Maybe it's an extra small. It's a size small, but it's just like a little cropped neon cardigan. So that is it for my pieces. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces. So overall, I am super impressed with my mystery box that I received. It is 10 amazing pieces, stuff that I would definitely source myself to sell in my closet. They're in great condition, some even new with tags, and like I said, I paid $5 per item. So I definitely think mystery boxes can be a great option, especially if maybe you don't have time to source, maybe you don't have that many thrift stores in the area. Go on Poshmark, search for mystery box, and read reviews. I would say that probably is key. This person that I ordered from had sold a ton of mystery boxes before, and she had even posted some of the reviews that she received from people that got mystery boxes. So that made me feel more confident in buying, and I just can't wait to list all this stuff. Maybe I'll do a follow-up video to see how much this stuff sells for. So if you want to see a follow-up video with what these items sold for, please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys.